let's do it, I guess. I still don't really have a better plan than just doing this, and I already pay for it. So I don't know. Hopefully I'll try and break this up a little bit better this time. We're gonna, maybe the goal, right? So like I already did this first project. Maybe the goal should be to try and do every single project. Let's see. Try and 100% every single project. So that's done. There's a few in here, like we should just go do this, right? That's interesting. Good to know. Let's check to skip this. Like get 1, 2, 3. This would work. No. This one, no. Oh, maybe you can do single quote. I don't really know. You can't start with a number, I know that. Okay. State and behavior. Oh, I forgot to get water. Immutable. Fuck me. Oh my god, dude. What the fuck? Did I miss something here? Like, what are you talking about? I clearly missed something. I don't know why I'm upset. I clearly didn't read this, and it just cost me probably 20 minutes. Objects are complex structures that can store some data and do something. How to get an object? Well, an object is part of memory that stores some sort of information. Variables and values just point to objects. So you can work with objects with the help of variables. A simple example of an object is a string that stores a message. Let's take a closer look. First of all, a message has a state. It contains not only a sequence of symbols, but also the size of the sequence, that is the length of the message. In Kotlin, something that allows you to access the state of an object is called a property. Just put a dot and write the name of the property after the object. Sure. Well, message.length. In Kotlin, some functions are bound to a specific type. Copying a reference, mutability. What happens if you change an object assigned to multiple variables by changing the value of one of these variables? It depends on the type of object. An object can be either mutable or immutable. You already know that int. Okay. Why? For example, the int or string variable behaves just like the primitive types of data. Wow, why is this like is JavaScript like this hard and I just know it? This is just awful. Choose all the variants that can be considered objects. Int, string, and char. I think that's char, that's what it is. God. Fun main. My object. One. But okay, so they all point to this one, but if you change them, then it would create new ones, it sounds like. All right, so that's done. Let's get this one done on while loops. Check to skip real quick. Creating a loop that prints a statement 10 times. Should be able to get this. Fun main. These should probably come down. Counter should probably be in the scope. Counter plus plus, so this goes in twice. No, once. This is twice. Looks about right. Okay. I'm gonna skip that. For a second, I thought I put these backwards. right? This is probably how we'll want it in the end. At least something like this. It wants this. Is one of these lowercase? Yeah, one of these totally is. Okay. So const, no. Val board equals, and then we're probably gonna want, let's go down, fun print board, and I'm gonna get, what is this type? List string. So it's gonna get a board, which is list string. Is that not how I type this? Maybe I do it here. List. I don't know how to type this. Okay, I don't know basic syntax. Let's look it up, right? Kotlin docs. Basics. Basic syntax. Types. Yeah. What's going on here? I knew this. What is this? List. So if I just do list, and it expects one arg, list, which expects an arg string. Oh, I guess, I don't know, I must have had a typo before. So we're gonna, we just need to call print, right? Print board, and in here we can do something fancy where we do, it's probably the same syntax. So for row in board, list string. Okay, that is not how we do that. That is Java and not working here. For loop, for row, okay. For, was close, for row in, does it say how to type it? Or maybe it just doesn't matter. Okay, so for row in board, and then in here, we need maybe print line. Actually, that might be it. So print each row and join everything by that, and it's print line, so it adds the thing at the end. Let's try it. I might be the best console logger, like, in the world. So this is like scanner. Come on. New scanner. How to, it's something like this. Shit. Scanner. That's it. Scanner, and then you pass in system in. I'm like literally writing Java. This is so annoying. I shouldn't have spent 60 days on it. Fuck. It's fine. And then okay. So now it's scanner dot next line. Next string. Okay, next line. Input, I guess. So now I want this to stay like this. This can come up here. Let's just call it val user input equals that. Now board is create board user input. We're gonna. How do I do this? Is it like this? List string. Okay. So now for let's do char in input, right? We can do what's a simple way to do this? Should we do it by count? There's really not that many. Is there a better way to do it? Oh, I could do for, is it like, what was it? It was 1 to 3, right? Go back to loops. So you could loop over the row, which is just 1 through 3, use that as a lookup, and then put the next. Makes sense, I think. No, it doesn't. All right. Okay, for char in input, right? So if no, it's 1 dot 9. I just don't know how to declare it. Oh, better yet, I could probably get a list. I'm committing. I'm committing. We're doing it this way. For loop. Item in collections, item in ints, here. There it is, in. For I in if I is less than 3, less than 4, let's do less than and equal to 3, is less than or equal to 6. So we would do 1, 2, 3, right? And 3 would go in, but this isn't gonna work. Let's do, because these are indexes in a list, so 0 to 8. So 0, okay, so now we can just do this. Else. Okay, so now we do val board equals list of, and then we'll just do empty lists in here. We don't need to initialize anything. T list of, can I do like, cool. And so now it's val char lm equals input I. Can I do this? Yeah. And so now we do board dot get 0 dot add push put. What is it? Append? Oh my god, there's so many freaking list. It is append. Can I not? What does get do? Okay. That's right, appendable. Read-only list. Got it. Do I need an abstract? Provides a skeletal? No. How do I... Mutable. There we go. Mutable list. Mutable list of. That's what I need. So this needs to be... Yeah. What? Why? Oh my god. Val row 1. Why is this like this? I don't understand. What happened? Can I just like create a list, please? Like, what is going on? Why is this not here? It's in the documentation. I should be able to call append. I don't understand. What the fuck? Oh my god. Please don't fucking do that. Add. Now it's add. What? Why? Okay. Okay. That's fine. What? Am I crazy? Okay, so this just doesn't work. Row 1 dot add. Bro, I'm losing my fucking mind here. What is going on? Got it. This is a char, not a string, which is fair enough. Maybe we can do this. And we are satisfied, finally. Val row 2 equals... Come on. This feels like a dumb way to do this, but we're gonna do it. And that's because... What's wrong with it? What? Above and below the grid. Oh, I see. Wow. Okay. I feel like we'll want this to create the board, and we'll want this to be the one doing all that stuff. So join to string had some other stuff, right? Prefix. Here, let's do. Why? Did I misspell it? Come on! Like, it's right here! Of course I can't click on it. Shit. Okay, so that should... I hope that is just like on the ends, right? Because we can also do... Let's see. Ah, didn't mean to click that. Okay. Pretty nice little handy handy little thing. Print line, and then it's what is it? Dash 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I think. Before and after. We'll get that going. Hey, there we go. I don't really like how this is, but we'll leave it for now, I guess. 7 minutes left. In this stage, we're gonna analyze the game state to determine if either player has already won the game or is it still going on. Oh God. All right, there's one thing I really want to check, and it's how to name typed. How do I like create a type? Type alias, that's what it is? Type alias. All right, cool. Can I do this? No. Oh, got it. Nope. Enum class color val RGB int. Oh. Interesting. Okay. Commas. dig that. Game states. So this analyze board is gonna return, and we're just gonna return that for now. I knew it was coming too. Let's do this. What's going on here? Oh. Dope. So this is where I'll start tomorrow.